Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about some essential tips that will help you stop translating in your head. If you have ever felt stuck and continuously switching between your native language and English, this video is for you. Let's dive into some powerful techniques that will help you immerse yourself in the English language and build fluency over time. Surround yourself with English. Yes, the first tip is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Think of English not just as a subject but as a part of your daily life. Whether you are watching your favorite movies in English, listening to English podcasts, or reading books, you need to expose yourself to the English every day. The more you interact with English, the quicker you will start to think in English rather than translating word for word. Practice during quiet moments. Yes, another great time to practice thinking in English is during those quiet and calm moments of your day. Whether you are commuting, cooking, or just relaxing, use these moments to describe your surroundings or daily activities in English. Think to yourself, these small moments can make a big difference in rewiring your brain to think in English naturally. Embracing these opportunities will gradually shift your mindset, and it will make definitely English a more natural part of your thought process. Now let's talk about translation apps. While they can be helpful in short term, but relying on them too much can slow down your progress. Instead of reaching for an app every time you are actually unsure of a word, try to describe what you are thinking in simpler terms. Challenge yourself to find alternative ways to express your thoughts in English. You will build confidence and start thinking in English without depending on translations. Engaging in conversations with native speakers or other English learners is one of the fastest ways to improve your thinking speed. Don't be afraid to join English forum, language exchange programs, or even comment on YouTube English videos. That's why I always recommend you to leave a comment in the comment section. Conversations force you to think quickly and communicate your thoughts without having time to translate, which is exactly what you need to do. Sorry, there's a power cut and I have to come outside to shoot rest of the video. So I was talking about be patient and persistent. I want to remind you that learning to think in English takes time. Be patient with yourself and remember that progress does not happen overnight. Consistency is the key to success. If you stick to these habits and keep practicing, you will notice a gradual shift in your spoken English. The more persistent you are, the faster your brain will adopt to thinking directly in English. So, what we have discussed so far: surround yourself with English, practice during quiet moments, limit translation app use, engage in conversations, and most importantly, be patient with your progress. These steps will help you transition from translating to thinking fluently in English. So don't forget to share and like my video. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.